Scallion pancakes are one of the first things my dad ever taught me how to make. The ingredients are so simple, just flour and water for the dough. It's all about technique to get the signature flaky texture. Here is my simple method. But first, let's put on some music. And make sure the little ones are comfy and settled. Then get some warm water. You'll need 1.5 cups flour and half a cup of water. You can just get warm water from the tap instead of heating it. The temperature doesn't need to be precise. Mix the water with the flour. It'll look a bit lumpy at first. But slowly a ball will form. Cover it with a slightly damp towel or plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. In the meantime, chop some scallions. And cut some parchment paper squares to separate the pancakes once they're done. Have some flour nearby for dusting. And salt. And high heat cooking oil. I'm using grapeseed. Time to uncover the dough. Dust your table or countertop with flour. And then knead your dough into a log. Divide the log into 8 pieces. Now take a piece of dough and roll it out until it's pretty thin. This is just the first rolling, so it doesn't need to be perfectly round. Then brush a bit of oil in the center, leaving 1 inch of the edge without oil. Add some salt over the oiled part. And some scallions. Start from the edge closest to you and roll the dough. Keep the scallions tucked as you're rolling. Next, coil the dough into a snail shape, or cinnamon bun shape. Tuck the end under. Dust with more flour and flatten the dough with the rolling pin again. If any scallions pop out, stick them right back on top. Set the finished pancakes on the parchment and repeat. Once you're done, it's time to pan fry. I use medium-high heat. Push down lightly on any bubbles. Flip it once the first side is golden, which should only take a few minutes. Put your finished ones on paper towels. Now cut the pancakes into wedges for serving. I also like to make a little dipping sauce with soy sauce and chili oil or hot sauce. My dad is no longer with us, but I think of him every time I make these scallion pancakes.